So E is whatever it is with is bound to produce the sound A. Here also we have done E with accent is producing sound A. So E and P will also produce sound A. So say, and what about this P and T? So whenever you will be finding this P and T together, they are bound to produce the sound ta, not the. It will produce the sound ta only. So it becomes Seth. Now come to A. So A is called with. And how come with, not with? Because H is that kind of vowel in French which is always silent. There are 7 vowels in French. And what are they? A, E, I, O, U, H and Y. And out of these vowels, this vowel H is that kind of vowel which always remains silent or muet. So we start pronouncing with which letter? Which is immediately after H. Now here U is after H, and U and I, they are bound to produce sound V. So now it becomes V plus the V. Now come to 9. 9 is called na. N produces sound na, EU produces sound a, we have already done. So when we add them up, it produces sound na plus F. F is pa. So it becomes na. Now come to 10. 10 is called this. How come? Because D is the, I is E. So D plus S becomes this. Thank you very much. We have done counting till 10.